Today I'm going to show you how to make a booking calendar, like the ones we use in school to book devices, coaches, and rooms. So the first thing you want to do is open your calendar page, your Google Calendar page, and close any calendars that are shared with you, like Actividades del Mes or anything else that you have. And only keep yours open, because in this case you're going to need to contrast your events, these are mine, with the availabilities that you have. So I'm going to create my booking slots in the blank spaces that I have here. So the first slot I'm going to create is at 8 in the morning on Monday. And the first thing that I want to tell you is that this is not going to be an event. It's going to be an appointment slot. So we need to click here. Okay? And when somebody takes this slot, it's going to become an event in your calendar. So we'll make this a 20-minute slot. So from 8 to 8:20, and make sure that the slot duration matches what your meeting time will be. It doesn't always change automatically. Then we're going to go to more options, and we're going to have this event repeat. Sorry. From Monday to Friday, yes, but we're going to choose custom because we don't want this event to repeat forever. Okay, so we're going to turn this on and have this event or the availability of the slot last until the end of May, for example. Okay, and it's going to repeat on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There we go. We need to write down where we're going to meet. Okay, so I'll send you the link to our meet at the time of our meeting. Okay, so here we go. We're going to save. And if you look closely, you'll see that events are just little blocks, whereas appointment slots have this little grid on the side. Okay, so I'll make another one. Okay, imagine that I'm going to do one that is a time that I only have available on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm going to make an event slot here, and it will begin available slot begins at 11 and finishes at 11:20. Make an appointment slot. Lasts 20 minutes. More options. We're going to repeat this only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until end of May. There you go. Done. And the location. There we go. And there it is. Now you may be asking yourself, now how do I share this with my students? Well, that's also very easy. What you do is you take any event is just fine, and they all give you a link to an appointment page for this calendar. And it opens up. Now in my case it looks messy, but if you see, all these are appointment slots, and they look messy because they're being contrasted with my calendar. But if I take this link and take it to a student, the student will see it like this. And now I'm going to click on one, and the student's name is written there. The student gets this message, and the student can save the event. And the slot disappears. We'll do that again. We'll go back and now go to Johnny student. Paste the link. And Johnny will take this slot. Okay, and the slot, as you can see, disappears. And now if I go back to my event calendar, those two bookings became events. Okay, look at this one. And here's Johnny student. So the event as an availability has disappeared and it's become an event. Okay, and what you share with your students, and you can do it through Google Classroom, is this link to the appointment calendar. Okay, so that's it. Very easy. If you have any questions, please contact me or any of the tech coaches that are available for you.